everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks. I think Zena's the only one in frame right now. And Wyatt is on the floor. He's the white puppy dog. I'm Laura if you're new. If you're returning, huge thank you for the amazing support. Today I have my September Glossybox for you. This is my favorite beauty subscription. It falls under the affordable category at $21 at the monthly cost. You can get it for cheaper if you buy 12 months at a time. That brings it down to $18 per month. They also have a 3 and 6 month option. The 3 month is $19.50. The 6 month is $18.50 if you buy it in those increments. All right, I love the variety that Glossybox brings you. So it's not like it's a bunch of makeup or a bunch of skincare. They mix it up so well. And they also offer other collections that may interest you, such as their skincare. They have 10 different skincare products, such as moisturizers, cleansers, night serums, eye boosters, and so much more. They also have limited edition boxes that you can purchase. You don't have to be a subscriber to purchase. They just cost a little bit more, such as their Mother's Day, their Black Friday. They have a summer box. They have the Advent calendar. So lots and lots to choose from with Glossybox. All right, so this is the monthly box. Their boxes are like that hard kind that you could use for storage if you wanted to. Here's what I see when I open it. So the little pamphlet inside will tell you about the items that were sent to you. And it looks like the theme for September is Golden Hour. All right, let's dig right in here. And you tend to get a mixture of deluxe and full-size products. So it says, hey Glossies, there's something magical about that time of day just before the sun sets and the sky is filled with warm golden light. As we near the end of summer, we want to soak up every last drop of sunshine. So you'll often find us sat outside during golden hour, admiring the views with a cool glass of rosé and taking advantage of the flattering light to snap some selfies. If you've not tried it, we highly recommend it. And it says, stay glossy, the Glossy team. All right, so first up is a full-size item, which is the Alpha Liquid Gold Firming Eye Cream. And this is only 0.25, but it's $82. This is firming eye cream, as I said. This lightweight eye cream contains native Australian lime pearl, AHAs to AHAs or AHAs? Kind of like AHAs. To gently exfoliate and smooth the eye area for a tighter and more youthful look. Plus, the illuminating diamond particles create an instant, soft focus effect while diminishing the appearance of wrinkles. So here's what it looks like. And the tip is a gentle massage outwards to stimulate lymphatic drainage and under the brow to lift and tone heavy lids. You want to try it, Z? What do you think? All right, so that's the first item. Next, we have something from CABI Cosmetics. This is Illuminating Dust. This is also a full size. $26 is the MSRP. And this is called Golden Hour. It says the perfect shimmering highlight to keep that golden hour glow all night long. CABI's beautiful velvety soft formula is designed to eliminate your most gorgeous features. Zena wants to leave and explore. Its rich golden color will flatter dark skin tones, while lighter skin tones may choose to mix with a bronzer or use as an eyeshadow. Well, that makes sense. So here's kind of what that color looks like. I like that as an eyeshadow. And I like that they offer that up for, you know, it's good for both dark and lighter skin tones to use in different ways. Okay, Next, we have a Deluxe Mini. This is the Tinted Tanning Mist in medium. We love the quick drying tinted formula of this tanning mist. It makes it super easy to see where you've applied and controlled the color. Apply to clean exfoliated skin and layer up to your desired intensity. This is worth $6.50. The full size is $26. And it says use a makeup brush to spread the tan evenly across your hands and between fingers for a streak-free finish. Say that 3 times fast. So if you want to hold on to that little bit of color you've gotten throughout this summer, here's how you do it. All right, I have another full size here. This is by CABI Naturals, and this is a shower gel. Looks like mine came loose a little bit. And this is revitalizing shower gel with chamomile extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. This is a limited edition, and it says that it is $6.50. It says sometimes the smallest changes can lift our mood, and we absolutely adore a beautiful fragrance, whether it's perfume, hair products, or body care. The rich, warming scent of vanilla coupled with chamomile extract in this shower gel is delicious and calming. Deliciously calming. It says, but please don't taste it. Oh, it is very pretty. Very pretty. It smells very nice. All right. And my last item is a Deluxe Mini by Ecos, and it says that this is $5.10, the Deluxe Mini. The full size would be $34, and this prevents, it's a hair mask that prevents breakage and improves shine with this nourishing hair mask. The Muru plant is celebrated for its amazing hair benefits, helping to repair damaged strands and recover hair's natural elasticity while reducing frizz and leaving hair soft and glossy. And it says that you use a wide tooth comb to gently distribute the mask throughout the hair for maximum effect. Yeah, and that's everything. What did you think? I love the variety. And they're already getting ready to launch the Advent calendar for 2022. It launches in September. Look how cool that looks. So they're already letting you know. That'll be coming up very soon. So sparkle and shine this holiday season with the most incredible collection of beauty featuring luxurious new brands and glossy favorites. Subscribers get priority access in the Glossy Lounge plus an exclusive discount. So if you were thinking about signing up, now's the time so you can get early access to the Advent calendar. I love that. The calendar was really good last year. All right, that is all in my September Glossybox. This was the monthly box. As I said, they do have lots of other fun goodies on the Glossybox site, so do check it out. I'll put all that information down below for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you had fun. If you did, hit that like. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. It allows me to keep on bringing videos just like this one to you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.